We tend to beat ourselves up every time about every case, hoping to do absolutely perfect medicine all the time.
Veterinarians do so much to keep our pets healthy, but many of us don't realize that vets themselves may be the ones in need of care. A CDC study shows a growing mental and emotional health crisis in the veterinary field, with vet suicide rates on the rise. According to the study, male vets are 2 times as likely as the general population to commit suicide. When it comes to female vets, the numbers are shockingly higher, with female veterinarians 3 times as likely to take their own lives. Long work hours, poor work-life balance, and high student loan debt are among the factors cited in the study as stressors on vets. La Jolla-based clinical psychologist Dr. Michelle Carcel says most of the general public is unaware of the compassion fatigue a lot of veterinarians are going through.
In this particular profession, they're constantly having to work with people and their pets, and these pets are, unfortunately, they have shorter lifespans than humans. The veterinarians are having to put down these pets and having to talk to families about death consistently, or, ailing pets, and it's a very heartbreaking thing.
Dr. Dina Raichel of Wind and Sea Veterinary Clinic in La Jolla has been a vet for over 15 years, but despite having finished school several years ago, she still works to maintain her practice and pay off her student loan debt.
I think we have a lot of people that are going into the profession because they love animals, and it's hard to realize what that financial picture looks at the end of the day. It's an emotional field. Like I said, there's a human-animal bond. People really love their pets, and when they get sick, it's emotional for them, it's emotional for us.
In Chula Vista, Dr. Kevin Anderson has managed the Otay Pet Vets Hospital for 13 years. Being in charge of multiple vets and staff members means having to recognize if any of his employees are experiencing stress or burnout.
We have 6 veterinarians that are here and about 40 employees, so I have to kind of get a feel for how each and every one of those employees are handling stuff. I worry about it with all the veterinarians that I hire. And some you can see are more stressed, and then some will move on to a less stressful job. It's stressful for the veterinarians when we have to make that ultimate decision with the client to put an animal down.
While the findings in the CDC study reveal an alarming trend in the field, many veterinary schools are starting to do more to educate future vets on the job's potential ups and downs.
We all go through rough times. Some of them are financial, some of them are, emotional issues. I think there is more discussion. There's more discussion in the veterinary schools as well. We might see somebody losing their pet on a regular basis, and it's sad for us, and it can take an emotional toll.
So what can clients do when interacting with their pet's veterinarian? Dr. Carcel recommends patience and understanding.
If you see or you're dealing with your veterinarian and knowing that they're constantly having to have hard talks every single day with people, be compassionate with them, be kind to them, and understanding that, hey, they've got a lot on their plate.
I still think that it's a great profession. I wouldn't have changed my decision.
For 10news.com, I'm digital producer Jermaine Ong.